So our next step, we're going to go over my Root Boost and my Volume Mousse. I love these two products. They give a lot of height to the hair. They give hold to the hair when you go to curl. So I'm going to show you how we apply these two products. Okay, so the Root Boost that we're going to be using first is, we're going to put this on the roots of her hair, just like on top to give it a little bit of height up here throughout the top of her hair and her crown and around her face. A really hot trend right now is the curtain bang. So this is great if you have a curtain bang to kind of lift it and hold it off your face. So the way we're going to use this is you want to shake it really well. And I'm going to put a little bit on around her hairline. And then and then we're going to massage it in. And just remember, you might think, oh, I'm not using enough product. You are using enough product. Because as you go to blow dry your hair, that product again is going to distribute throughout your entire blow dry. It's going to go through the brush into the hair, and it's going to work its way in. So just enough of that. So it's going to give her great height. You'll see when we go to blow dry. So the our next product is our Volume Mousse. Now keep in mind that you don't have to use both together. I'm just showing you, we're going to give her height here and a nice round brush blowout with a little bit of hold and shine. Again, shake well. What is that? Size of a quarter. And then again, emulsify. We're going to run it all through her ends. And this is great too. If you have naturally curly hair, you can just also put this on and let your hair air dry. It's lovely. It's going to calm down the frizz. It's going to hydrate the ends a little bit. It's just a really nice, light, like a souffle. Now we're going to get her ready for her blow dry. Okay, Tina here again. I just want to give a quick tip about blow drying. Blow drying for some reason has become, people, like, it's a big deal. Like when my clients come in, everybody struggles with the blow dry. So the main thing I tell everyone is to blow dry your hair 80% dry first. Go upside down, blow dry it, come up when the hair's almost halfway dry, then section your hair, then start the blow drying process. I feel like when people shampoo, condition their hair, they put product on, they start blow drying their hair when it's still wet, and they struggle, their arms hurt, and they give up. So just remember, after you put your product on, towel dried hair, rough dry it with the blow dryer, and then section and get going. And the reason why we section the hair is because however the bottom of the hair is dried is how everything else will fall on top of that blow dried hair. So we section, we dry, and then we do another section. Okay, so my favorite roller, you guys, and these cost pennies, but they make such a difference on your hair. And I just give these away to my clients because they love them so much. But there are Velcro rollers. And so as we start, I'm gonna blow dry her front first, and we're gonna get that dry, and then I'm gonna roll her bang. But I like them at home because it helps the client, it helps you do your hair easier at home. It helps get because sometimes you're blow drying like this and all the hair's in your face. So this helps create volume as you're blow drying everything else, the volume around your face, because the volume around the face is really, really in right now. So you have to put the Velcro roller on your front hair, your bangs, when it is dry. Because if you do this on wet hair, it's just gonna be tangled, and you don't really wanna put Velcro on wet hair. So we're gonna do it. And always, so if you wear a bang under, you wanna roll under. But to get that like curtain bang look, the height around your face, you want to take the hair and roll it in, and then you put the bobby pin underneath. like that. And I like to spray it with my volume spray. So something I just wanted to talk about real quick is I get asked, what size brush should I use for my hair? So I always say the bigger the brush, the more volume you're going to get. The smaller the brush, that much volume you'll get. So of course, we're not going to use a small brush on Rachel because it will tangle. So we're going to use this big brush. So if you have like a curtain bang from your nose to the chin, I'd recommend like a medium-sized brush for your curtain bang. So on Rachel today, we're using the extra large round brush who makes this? Olivia Garden brushes. I love them. Her brushes are fabulous. So they're easy to get through the hair. And I just love them because they're gold. But they're really good brushes. We use them in my salon. We all use them in my salon every day. So I just wanted to talk about the brushes. So we just finished blow drying Rachel's hair, and Rachel's hair is medium, fine to medium hair, her texture, and she has a little bit of curl. But as you can see, the product is going to give her height here, but you can still run your hands through it because most volumizing products, you can't get your hands through the hair. So this is it's going to give lift, but you're able to work your hands through the hair. And that's why I love my Volume Mousse. It's such a lovely product. If you don't want a lot of hold at the root, this is just it's gonna give you a nice round brush blowout. It'll hold your curls as well without a lot of hairspray. So this is a really nice product. And this one, of course, is gonna give the root boost is gonna give more hold and lift at the root. So if you're looking for my hair falls down, nothing holds my hair, this is the product for you right here. You'll love it, your stylist will love it. It's our favorite product here in the salon. So as I was talking about before, I love these Velcro rollers for the front of your hair or your curtain bang because it allows you to get the hair out of your face so you can just get the back blown out, and it gives you height and lift. So we are going to gently pull. So when you pull out the Velcro roller, you want to go all the way to the top through the hair. As you can see, it's going to give her a lift here. Look how beautiful that is. It's what everybody wants right now. It's not flat, it's going to give you height and lift. So now I'm going to show you how we're going to curl her hair and create that really nice, beachy, lived-in curl look. To purchase the products featured in this video and more, please visit our online store at beautysalon.com and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.